Here's an alternative sprout growing method if you can't be bothered to do them on a kitchen windowsill. You just throw some seeds in any clothing pocket that might be hanging around, and then you put it in your laundry, and then about 2 weeks later you change the filter and you should find something like this. Here's the filter here. We just pop this off the side, bring it out. Oh look, there it says it's the magic filter. And just turn it over, and hey presto, look in there, real live sprouts growing away quite happily inside the washing machine. Hey, maybe I should change the filter more often.